Hello, my friends. 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐟𝐮�𘘄 here. Welcome back to another video. This is an Infinity Processing System review. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you can make money with Infinity Processing System and how it can help you make money online in the digital space. So if that's something you want to learn how to do, then you are in the right space. So you can find me on Facebook. And let's get right into this review. So what I'm going to talk about is how Infinity Processing System works to help you reach your goals of making money online, how it can help you. I'm going to show you proof and results that it works, and really go over really how it works. Okay, so what I wanted to say is that if you are someone who's looking for a way to be your own boss and make money on the internet, and if you can do something that's simple, because you do need to do activities to make money in the online space, but it's not complicated. So if you can copy and paste pre-ran ads on social media and watch step-by-step video training, like you get access to in the membership area, right here. If you can do those things, copy and paste pre-ran ads and watch step-by-step video training that tells you exactly what to do, like you see here. Let me actually tell you it real quick. You have a six-figure earner literally guiding you through step-by-step on how to build your business on social media, how to set up your business on social media, how to add media, etc. Okay, if you can do those two things, copy and paste those pre-ran ads and watch step-by-step training and follow the directions, then you can make money online. This is an awesome system that you definitely want to check out, and you can see the link beneath this video. So what I want to do is just show you that the strategies actually work. And then I'm going to talk to you about how you can use this strategy in your to make money for yourself. Okay, so let me take you like a quick peek inside our Infinity Processing System group, and then I'll explain what it is, how it works. Um, so this is our Infinity Processing System group. And you can see there's tons of proof of people getting results with this system. I could scroll for days, but I'm going to just point out a few of them quickly. I myself, before I even show other people's proof, I myself have made almost $4,000 passively with this system. And so I love it, and it's an actual training platform. But anyway, so shout out to my brother James. He had a $350 day with ITS, using the strategies, applying the strategies that are in the system, and he's getting results. Um, then we have another person here, Erin. She got a member who upgraded. Okay, so there you have it. A person upgraded, um, and she was able to collect $100 payment. So what this means is someone started at a lower level, because there's a $300, 150, and a $50 level. So they probably started at a lower level, and then they upgraded to the pro membership. So altogether, she made about $350 within 30 days from one person. Okay. And then here we have another person who said, loving the system for sure, on my way to six figures, and she earned a $300 commission. $300 commissions for sure will change your economy if you're getting them over and over and over again. Okay? Now that I've kind of explained that with Infinity Processing System, you don't have to be a guru. What you do need to do is, you saw our present Facebook group of others winning by following this blueprint. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to have experience. You just have to be willing to give 30 minutes to an hour daily to your business, taking action with these strategies, and all the action steps are here in your membership area of what you need to do to build a profitable online business. And the thing is, it doesn't matter if you want to promote Infinity Processing System by itself or not, or if you have something else you want to promote. This can teach you how to make money with anything and how to promote anything in the digital space and be able to build raving fans and audience, know, like, and trust, authority, and sales. Okay? So that's really what it's about, is just having that insider knowledge from a multiple six-figure earner on how to do that on platforms where you don't have to pay for ads, where you can get what they call leads and traffic for free. Okay? That's how your business grows, especially as a beginner, because here's the thing, most beginners don't have a marketing budget or a marketing budget that's substantial enough for them to really get the results that they want, right? And the thing is, once you learn these strategies, you don't have to be on Facebook all day. You, like I said, if you can consistently give your business 30 minutes to an hour a day, she even gives you a blueprint. Here, let me just scroll down. She gives you an action plan, what you're supposed to do every day of the week. Every day of the week. You don't have to wake up and be like, oh, well, what should I do today to grow my business or to move my business forward or to get leads or to get results. If you do this consistently, you will see your lead flow grow, you will see your income grow by following these action steps. The other thing is, as an absolute beginner, you have access to pre-written ads that you can post on social media. When you're a beginner, you need to start marketing right away. The thing is, while you're learning these things, you can literally take action right away and start getting leads on day one from posting pre-written ads. Okay? And then you start developing the other strategies as well. Let's go over how Infinity Processing System can help you make money online. So here's the thing. You know, if COVID hasn't showed us anything, and I really just want to point at COVID because now we're talking about going in, I know at my state, they're talking about doing a whole nother lockdown again, right? That means that people will be out of work. That means eventually certain businesses are going to start doing furloughs and layoffs, especially state and government employee agencies and stuff like that. That said, it's very important going into 2022 that people have digital income streams. That you have a stream that it doesn't matter what's going on, if a physical business shuts down, you have a way to earn income as long as you have a computer, a smartphone, a laptop. That's what Infinity Processing System puts you in position to do, to have a digital home business. What they do is they give you a high converting website that you can get access to, and that website does all the explaining for you of how your business works. You don't have to put together that website. You don't have to put together the ad copy for that website. It's already done for you. So just know that. So one, Infinity Processing System helps you become a digital home business owner so that you can start earning in the digital space. Okay? Number two, Infinity Processing System can help you make money online by giving you access to the ability to create cash flow. Okay? With Infinity Processing System, when you join as a pro member, you have the ability to earn $300 instant commission. Now, the beauty of a cash flow digital business versus maybe some other businesses where you have to have high overhead, maybe drop shipping, maybe some other, a brick and mortar business or whatever. You don't have any overhead with this business. Once you join, you are, that's it. Okay? Now, of course, I always recommend additional tools as you grow your business. That's another story. But you don't have to, you can literally just, you don't have any overhead. Okay? You don't have to have telephones and, all those things that you have to do with a brick and mortar business or some high overhead business. The next thing to know how this helps you with cash flow is that you can make commissions over and over and over again from a one-time investment. So you invest $300 into starting a digital home business. Okay? Let's say you make your first commission. You're in profit. You made your $300 back. And then every sale after that, boom, 300, 300, 300, 300. That's why I love digital cash flow businesses. Okay? The other thing is that how this helps you with cash flow is that you are able to accept commissions how you like, and it's paid into your account instantly when you make a commission when somebody buys from you. So you can get paid with direct cash out of your account. Okay? And it's instant. Imagine a $3, $300 commission hitting your bank account instantly. What does $300 allow you to do in terms of shaping your cash flow? Right? $300 is my car payment. Right? $300, if you had 2 or 3 of those, for a lot of people, that's their mortgage. So if you're going to promote something in the digital space, make sure that the commission itself, that when you receive that is something that will change your cash flow as well. That's why I promote cash flow type products that have good commission structures. Okay, and I encourage everybody to do the same. And again, when you get it instantly in your account, now you can make decisions about what you're going to do with those commissions. Okay, now the next way that IPS can help you make money online is because Infinity Processing System is a product. Okay? There's a lot of MLM, network marketing, make money online opportunities out there. That's all they are. They're literally a make money online opportunity. But it's not going to teach you the strategy of what you need to do on a daily basis to be able to make money online. It's not going to teach you how to market. It's not going to teach you how to keep it simple and be able to get leads and sales in 1 hour a day. Infinity Processing System does. It teaches you, Infinity Processing System solves one of the biggest affiliate marketing problems, which is how to get traffic and sales and how to leverage free social media to grow any business. Most affiliate marketers have multiple things that they bought over the years that they want to promote. They want to know how to promote them. They want to know how to create multiple streams of income. They don't know how to do it. This is what Infinity Processing System teaches you how to do. How to become a person who you can use, create influence using free social media and promote anything. And then have people buying from you, going into your capture pages and growing your email list and getting sales as a result. Okay, so that's what it's about. So anyways, I talked a lot. If you're ready to get started with Infinity Processing System, my link is beneath this video. When you join, I will give you my daily action steps and my routines that have helped me make thousands of dollars in the internet space over, since I've been online. All right, so that's that. Smash the subscribe button, reach out if you have any questions, and